Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including an automatic dimming rearview mirror, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.